This video is about how to frost a layer cake with buttercream. First, you may need to trim your cakes to make sure the sides are as even as possible. There are many ways to frost a cake. This is what I recommend. Use an icing tip number 789 in a large 16-inch pastry bag. Fill it with your favorite buttercream. An offset spatula can also be used alone or in addition to your icing tip. This will be the crumb coat, which is a thin layer. The purpose of the crumb coat is to contain any loose crumbs. Use a separate bowl to scrape any excess off the spatula just in case there are any crumbs in it. This is a bench scraper and is great for creating straighter sides. Work your way around the cake, filling in any gaps and getting the cakes as even as you can. For a 6-inch cake like this, the smaller offset spatula is perfect for edging the cakes. It's worth the extra time to get your cakes even at this stage. This really helps to put an even coat onto your cakes. I use a little wiggle to ease the buttercream down and out, same with the sides. This also prevents the buttercream from being pulled off of the cake. Basically, you want to get a good coat on there and then work it gently, smoothing as you go. At this point, the cakes get refrigerated for at least 30 minutes. Then, the final smoothing. The buttercream is now cold and you can scrape thin layers until it's super smooth. Your borders would go here and here. If you want to see what we do with this cake next week for our birthdays, click on the link above. The video will be uploaded on June 15th.